Hello everyone. Here we are again with our new series of healing art therapy by expressive and instrumental music. We have started a Telugu story narration, moral stories narration series 4 months back on January 1st, 2021 by baby Madhulika Nirmalan. She has narrated around 10 stories, and now we are here after the summer, after the exams, where we are starting with our fresh new series, which could be very interesting to the children as well as their parents. The healing art therapy by expressive as well as instrumental music. So hope you will enjoy this, and then looking at what are we going to look at here. We are not saying that we are teaching you a classical music form or an instrument. Here we are mainly looking at how it can have multiple benefits as an art therapy. And here, as part of the series, the two models, Madhulika as well as Master Manaswin, both the kids will sing bhajans, classical songs, what they have learned from different languages, and it is just for you to listen to them and enjoy them. That's all the purpose. And moving on, a little bit of theory before we actually get into the series. Here on the benefits of this art therapy, healing art therapy by music. Looking at music as a form of art, it is an instantaneous pleasing effect that gives on the mind. Music influences our emotions and mind. Every element in this universe is originated from the sound vibrations, from blossoms to trees and animals and birds to human mind. Looking at swaras. Swaras, those who are learning music know what swaras are. These are the notes of Indian classical system. Sa, ma, pa of Indian classical system compared to the sounds of different birds like peacock, cuckoo and heron. Nada Yoga addresses the chakras, energy centers of human body, means of natural sound vibrations in the breath and frequencies produced by the musical instruments. Nada Sankirtan, where chanting in praise of the divine purifies the energy channels and or the chakras, which is called Nadi Shuddhi. Looking at raga as a cure or as a chikitsa, the emotional effect of raga is determined by the frequencies of the swaras or the notes forming the tune and its jiva swaras. Bhava, the emotion conveyed, is the essence of the music. Indian ragas are suitable for emotional healing in conditions of anxiety and stress. Music and emotion. Our thinking is affected by emotion and vice versa. Emotion modulates the behavior of an individual, and music is the language of emotion. No other art form arouses music so deeply as no other art form arouses emotion as deeply as music. Looking at the gamakas and how these gamakas are utilized or used in healing grief. Gamaka is the manipulation of the note or swara in any manner to produce a musical effect. These delicate vibrations adorn the musical note and produce emotional effect called rasabhava. In fact, in ancient Tamil Nadu, Opari, sung in every event of the death, used gamakas in excess to relieve the suppressed emotions of survivors of the deceased. Through music, negative emotions of fear, sadness, and anxiety can be relieved by a process called catharsis. Benefits of expressive music. Music enhances the positive self-image of the person. It improves the coping with the stress. Singing is a unique exercise where there is concentration, meditation, and breathing exercises taking place simultaneously and unconsciously. Music lifts depression, increases the confidence levels. The melodious lullabies, a universal phenomenon of babies falling asleep, is a proof of the effect of music on human mind by gentle, calming, soothing effect. Coming to the specific effects of raga on the mind. The regular listening to the specific ragas under specific conditions has identified healing effects. Neelambari raga induces sleep. Bhupala, Malayamarutam, played before dawn, serve as pleasant invitation for people to wake from sleep. Bilahari, a joy-producing raga, helps to lift depressive mood. Sama can reduce anxiety, and Madhyamavati raga can create calmness. Looking at the health and the disease, what happens, how music can affect in health and disease. It relieves depression, regulates the mood. It has a soothing and organizational properties that benefit intellectually disabled, creative opportunities for self-expression, especially drums cause relaxation. Patients with substance abuse problems, the music of the drums can be very, very healing. Music, again for all age groups, improves pain tolerance. It helps improve general well-being and quality of life. Music with movement, as in aerobics and gymnastics, improves healthy lungs. Effective in decreasing the stress. And looking at specifically how Carnatic music and how its significance is, this material is from the research papers on Carnatic music. The impact on auditory and temporal lobes of the brain. Raga Desi Todi decreases depression and anxiety. Listening to the sad music evokes pleasant emotions in the listeners. Listening can result in improved reasoning performance, which is called Mozart's effect. Carnatic music. Practice of this music can modulate functional connectivity of brain even at rest. It enhances communication and expressive skills used in severe psychiatric patients by improving the depression and social functioning. They counteract age-related cognitive or intellectual and memory decline. Listening to music, particular specific music, after a heart stroke leads to structural changes in the frontolimbic region of the brain and therefore enhancing the intellectual, memory, and emotional recovery of these patients. Neuromusicology, how the music can affect on the brain. It activates the entire brain. Brain scans of musicians showed bigger, well-connected, sensitive brains with superior functioning in working memory, auditory skills as well as cognitive flexibility. Brains are more symmetrical. The areas of brain responsible for motor control, auditory processing and spatial coordination are larger. Improved two-side communication in the left and right hemispheres of the brain has been well established in research. Looking at how the music and the effect on the brain chemicals. Neurotransmitters are the brain chemicals where brain chemical such as dopamine, which is called as motivation molecule necessary for the feel-good states, are boosted by listening to the music. Playing music with others stimulates brain hormone called oxytocin, which is called trust molecule, which helps them to bond and trust each other. Increased levels of oxytocin helps being more generous and trustworthy, more empathetic and cooperative. Listening to music increases productivity, improved performance on cognitive tasks of accuracy, enables completion of repetitive tasks more efficiently. Looking at the benefits of musical training on the brains of children, again called Mozart effect. Children with music backgrounds do better in languages, reading, arithmetics, better in fine motor skills. Half an hour of music lesson increased blood flow in the left hemisphere of the brain, as the scans showed. Music exposure to lessons before age 7 years proved brain enhancement that can last for a lifetime. To summarize it all, music is a form of expressive and instrumental art. Music helps in healing depression, anxiety and stress. Music is the language of emotion. The healing ragas induce sleep, waking from sleep, lift depression for calmness and relaxation, improves quality of life and pain tolerance. Carnatic music has wide psychological healing benefits, improved trust, empathy and cooperation with others, improved academics in children. Listening to music is good, but playing the music is even better. Here we go. With this brief introduction, in today's first episode, you can listen to Baby Madhulika's introductory song, an invocation to Lord Ganesha. Hope you will enjoy the music, and this is all we want to convey to the listeners. Happy listening.
Hi friends, hope all of you have completed your exams. I am back to our program. Today I am in the first series. I have narrated you Telugu moral stories. Did you like it? Now I am going to sing you classical songs. I am learning Carnatic music since 5 years with my guru Srimati Ahalya Garu. I start my first song with pranams to my teacher. This song is an invocation to Lord Ganesha. Hope you all enjoy the program. Today I am going to sing Malahari Ragam Rupaka Talam. Ma pada sa sa ri ri sa da pa ma pa ri ma pa da ma pa sa pa ma ga ri sa ri ma ga ri sa ri ga ri sa ri ma pa da ma pa da pa ma ga ri sa Shri Ganananda Sindhura Varna Karuna Sagar Karivadana Lambodara Lakumikara Amba Sudamara Vinuta Lambodara Lakumikara Dacharana Gana ರಂಬೋದರ ಲಘುಮಿಕರ ಸಕಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾದಿ ಪೂಜಿತ ಸರ್ವೋತ್ತಮ ತೇ ನಮೋ ನಮೋ ಲಂಬೋದರ ಲಘುಮಿಕರ ಅಂಬಾಸುತ ಅಮರ ವಿನುತ ಲಂಬೋದರ ಲಘುಮಿಕರ. Thank you all. I will meet you in the next program. Bye bye.